our business strategy has been a reconciliation of value and volume growth.
A $400 million conglomerate with headquarters in Chandigarh, ISLL has emerged as one of the largest manufacturers of APIs and advanced intermediates.
Recently, we have tasted such success for one of our patented novel drug delivery systems, clarithromycin extended release tablet.
World-class quality is reflected in everything we do, from start to finish.
But what truly reinforces ISLL's competitive edge is its state-of-the-art R&D center at Mohali.
We attract, develop and retain the best talent by offering each of our scientists a highly stimulating work environment that encourages teamwork, professional growth and delivers scientific innovation. At Torque Pharmaceuticals, we aim to help people lead healthier lives through two parallel objectives: delivering affordable and accessible medication to all parts of the world. Torque, a reckoning force that is helping the Indian pharmaceutical industry emerge as a leader in the global pharmaceutical business. Today, it is a Schedule M complying ISO 9001-2000 pharmaceuticals unit with 9 sections manufacturing 265 products. Quality is our hallmark. A dedicated quality control and assurance team is responsible for our internal controls, features and processes, meticulously monitoring quality at every level. Strictly adhering to global regulations and guidelines. Adequate facilities are provided for chemical, instrumental and microbiological testing of raw and packing material, in-process material and finished goods. In-house product development lab is in the process of developing new dosage forms, state-of-the-art techniques and instruments. Groats Beckert has a global presence, spanning 6 production locations and its own distribution subsidiaries in all key markets. The product range spans more than 70,000 needle types for every area of textile and technological application. Precision and quality are top priority areas for us. Preserving competence, metallurgy in-house, research in-house, development in-house, realization in-house, creativity on principle. We set standards in production know-how, manufacturing technology and quality management.
Celebrating our golden jubilee, getting set for a challenging future.
On this wonderful occasion, Groats Beckert Asia expresses its gratitude to all those who have been a part of this success journey. Our customers, employees and business associates. We are all around you, all the time. We touch your life in many ways. Remember us whenever you see the latest fashions on the ramp, whenever you see cutting-edge textiles, be it home, mobility, sports, medicine or aerospace applications. Groats Beckert. Engineering for life.
The medical equipment manufactured by Alengers has carved a distinct niche for itself in the national and international markets.
In Ludhiana Medicity, we have been using the Alengers cath lab and we have used it for angiographies, for angioplasties, for pacemaker implants, and also very new thing, we are using it in the operation theatre also.
We are Havells India Limited, dedicated to powering lives.
Over the last 3 decades, we have created an excellent brand presence in the country, which is trusted by consumers all over.
Our global manufacturing base, comprising 18 ISO 9000 certified manufacturing units, churns out products that carry the Havells stamp of quality.
We have a firm belief that for the long-term sustenance of our business, we need to continuously develop the intellectual capital of our company. The world-class manufacturing techniques we are employing in our manufacturing plants ensure that we have good quality products which far exceed the customer expectations.
Our green initiatives translate not only in eco-friendly processes and methodologies, but in pioneer products like Green CFL and a complete range of energy-saving devices. Our community programs enhance the quality of millions of lives wherever we go. Through our products that show that we strive to meet all your needs, that we care for you. We are Havells India Limited, powering lives through all that we do.